movable property, home and farming lands, but some of their movable assets like cattle or furnitures or ornaments or some of those little things were also brought together. As they came closer and they crossed the country, they were received by the Bangladesh authority, they were enlisted and they were handed over to the UN people, and eventually they, over a period of a month or two, they were slowly settling in the refugee camps, promptly built up with them. So this is the historic place where over 1 million people from Rohingya community living in Myanmar crossed that river and came to Bangladesh. And since then they have been living here. And the other side of the river, which is part of Myanmar, is still very restless. And the interfighting between the Myanmar army and the local liberation force is going on, and especially at night people can hear the shooting, the sound of shooting and the noise of exchange of fire and everything going on, especially at night. We hear that some nights the rebels take over the area, some nights the army move in and drive them away. So this is going on for the last 2 weeks or something. The other areas further up in the north have already been taken over by the rebels. Myanmar army has backed out, and some of them even came to Bangladesh and took shelter. The Bangladesh government received them, and then after scrutinizing their identity and giving them primary health support and everything, they have been eventually sent back to back to Myanmar a few days back. Some 29 people have been sent back recently. So the war is still going on, and the very important thing for all of us is to see that whatever is the outcome, the Rohingya people living here for the last almost a decade can ultimately go back to their homeland, which they're dying to do, and they can rebuild their life and restart their life in that area again, that place they have been living for centuries, since their ancestors' time.